How's it going, everyone? So, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to tie slip knot. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I get a ton of questions on how to do this. A lot of questions on different types of knots, but slip knots are by far the commonest. The reason why they're good is if you do any type of camping, I do a ton of camping. This is amazing for survival guides as well. It's also good if you do sewing, crochet, anything like that. So I know it's not fitness related, but I have a ton of people that are in fitness that do a ton of other stuff too. So I'm going to show you how to do this very, very simple. Like this is one of, it's not too difficult to learn. So I'm going to show you guys really, really quickly. You want to get 2 fingers. You're going to take the tail and all you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around like this. This is all you're going to do so far. So here's the tail. We wrapped it around my fingers. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go over top and then we're going to come down just like this. So it should look like this. Again, the fingers are here. It's over top. And then all we're going to do is we're going to take our fingers and we're going to grab right here. And then all you're going to do is you're going to pull. And then you have created a slip knot. The great thing about a slip knot is you can go like this, and then you can tighten it very, very easy just by pulling on it like this. And then you can also loosen it like this. So slip knot, extremely easy to do, just like this. Again, not difficult. I'm gonna show you guys one more time how to do it. Again, take your 2 fingers, the tail goes around, and then all you do is you over top of this one like this. And then what you're gonna do, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab right here. So you're gonna grab right here with your 2 fingers and then you pull. So that is how you do a slip knot. It's very easy to learn once you know how to do it. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.